Hey everyone, Shannon VanFleet here with a quick little hair color hot tip. This one is about how to avoid the foaminess when you add your processing solution into your Shades EQ. This first bottle, I'm going to pour in my processing solution like normal, and you can immediately see bubbles starting to form. Now with this second bottle, I'm going to tip the bottle so I can get the entire top of my processing solution inside. That way it flows down the neck of the bottle instead of straight into the color. Foam can make getting an accurate measurement difficult, especially with lighter shades. We typically use a scale to measure out our Shades EQ, so it doesn't really matter if it gets foamy or not because we go by weight. But recently our scale has been on the fritz, so we've been having to do it the old-fashioned way and use the numbers on the side of the bottle. And this is a really great trick that I just learned recently, having to deal with the foam, on how to avoid the foam.